Autonomous drones are flying high for hobbyists and industry leaders alike, but designing a military or commercial drone is not trivial. To maximize drone use, your design must be rugged and reliable, I/O intensive, and swap C-squared optimized. Rugged and reliable design allows drones to operate continuously in extreme physical conditions without fear of system or component failure. A robust mix of I/O is critical to support various sensors and peripheral devices for continuous communication. A swap C-squared approach optimizes the design to achieve the minimal footprint required in autonomous drones. Sealevel's engineering and manufacturing team can support your autonomous drone applications by implementing strategies to combat cold, heat, shock, vibration, including intentional component selection, the use of high-retention connectors to handle increased vibrations, and the design and fabrication of fanless, heat-dissipating enclosures, all with careful consideration to swap C-squared optimization. We utilize a design for certification approach, which enables us to manage the entire product development process, ensuring all I/O, processing, environmental, safety, and security requirements are met. Sealevel offers a complete COTS product line with rugged hardware options, as well as fully custom solutions to fully support unmanned and autonomous drone systems for both military and commercial applications. You can trust Sealevel to make your drone dreams fly.